Saw table mini edge banding machine installation video. First we put the edge banding machine in our saw table. We put the cord and the pedal down while we do it. Connect power. Turn on the power switch to start heating. To wet hot melt glue must use 150 degrees of medium temperature glue. Fill it up with each use. Do not lower than half a pot of glue during use. Connect to the air compressor's 8mm pad. Just plug it in. We can put the edge tape on the countertop. And then from the first threshold we'll feed it through. Then we put the edge tape in the slit position of the cutting edge. The knife is closed when the air is connected. Just put it here. This is the entrance height limit of the ceiling band. We just needed to press down on the side tape. There's an exit height limit for ceiling tape. Use edge tape and put it down there. Make it 0.5 mm higher than the ceiling tape. Lock this knob tight. Glue amount adjustment. This place has the black knobs. The top one is to adjust the amount of glue in the back ceiling tape. The below one is to adjust the amount of glue in our front plate. The tighter to turn clockwise, the less glue. The looser to turn anti-clockwise. Don't need to open the glue too much. As long as it can evenly coat the board and edge ceiling tape with a layer of glue. When the temperature above reaches the temperature below, we need to turn the speed knob first. And then this place has a switch. We press it to activate. The glue shaft starts to run. When doing edge banding, there's a micro switch in this place. The board presses down on the switch and starts to release the banding tape. When the tape is out, we push the board forward. When the board leaves the switch, the tape is automatically broken. Edge banding complete. When we are doing the curve cover, remove the biggest training wheel first. Curve banding, we put our foot on the pedal to start the tape sending. After the edge banding tape is brought out, our plate presses the edge band. After the edge banding is done, we take our foot off the pedal. The banding tape is stopped sending. Edge banding complete.